What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our third video in our last video, and it's going to be a short one. We just want to get some really cool but simple camera setups working, which is going to be the third person camera and a first person camera. Really simple. And I say simple because it's just the basic setup of how you will run a camera off a component system. The easiest way for it to follow the character is to parent it to the character, and then you will deal with like rotation through code, which I'm still fiddling with. This is the same day that I made the second video, so that hasn't changed yet. And then there is a component called a camera rig, which seems like it does the job for you, but there's no documentation on that component. So I already posted in the forums to see if I can get any leeway on that, so I can get you guys set up with rotation. That way we have a fully working character moving, and the only thing that'll be missing is like certain animations or complex animations, and we can definitely just, you know, tag that on as time goes on. So for the player, so we have the player and we have the mesh. So what we want to do is right click on the mesh. Sorry, I had something selected that shouldn't have been selected. But we want to right click on the mesh, create child entity, and now we have a child of the mesh, and we're going to call this camera. Camera, and we're going to add a camera component to this entity right here. So now we have a camera. We can just leave it as is, and it's, like I said, it's going to be simple. And in the future, we can start adding like a little script for properties that allow you to control distance and speed, like distance away from the character, instead of you having to edit it inside or using the controls, which you can do. But you know, a lot of folks like to do everything in codes, and I'm kind of partially the same way. But I love using the editor. I like to be visual sometimes. Alright, so camera, since we have it selected, it has its own transform. So what we want to do is move it up and move it back. Give it a field of view. Move it back. Move it over some. That's that, and then we want to change the field of view to 90, which is usually the standard for video games, unless you're going for a certain look. So now if I go to game, we have a third-person camera, and since we parented it to the character, or the mesh of the character, which is parented to the player, when we move, we have a third-person camera moving with us. Look at that, guys! That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm kinda awesome. I mean, I think I am. Now let me stop. But yeah, got that. So that's a third-person character. Now you can do, you know, let's exit out of that. Let's click the camera. We can do over the shoulder now. So if I control, let's get a little closer. Let's move this over. Sorry, not forward. Over some this way, a little bit back. And no, it's too far back. But you guys see what I'm trying to do here, right? It's just a movement of the camera. Select it to just get it closer. Move it down some. Move it just back just a little bit. Too far. Oh wow, how to get this far over? Let's say about right there. Now we have a closer representation of what the over-the-shoulder camera is. Now I will move it a little bit closer, get the character a little bit closer to the left, and you have like a proper over-the-shoulder camera where it doesn't move. And like I said, through code, you want to do different, like, you know, maybe collision detection. Make sure you're not hitting in the walls or clipping through walls. And we're gonna get into all that. I had to figure it out myself. Like, I know what to do, but I have to figure out how to do it in Lua with Lumberyard. And then of course, for all of my horror people or my FPS people, we want to take the camera to about right there, I would say. And now we have a first-person camera. Look at that. That's sexy. I don't know what y'all seeing, but that's sexy. Now we have that. Now the only thing is we can't rotate. So we just, once we knock that out, we're good to go. Then I can brag a little bit. All right. So very simple, guys. Simple camera positions. If you want to do over the top down and things of that nature, you can position the camera. It will follow the player, and then we will work on advancing those camera positions with different scripts and different things in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. I hope you guys are feeling just a little bit closer to having certain systems to get your game up and running. We're going to be doing more smaller things like pickups, UI, interacting with the character, all these great things I have planned. So stick around, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, comment if you have any suggestions, let me know how I'm doing, let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I will see you guys either in the comments or on the forums, or you can follow me on Twitter. I'm usually active. I have it connected to my phone, so I get all updates and notifications to messages and things of that nature. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys enjoy your Mother's Day with your mothers. And yeah, always remember, guys, to keep developing.